In this video, I am going to show you how to send money to someone on Cash App. Now, Cash App is a popular payment application that allows you to quickly send and receive money, manage your balance, use a Cash App card, and access other financial features like savings, Bitcoin, and stocks. So whether you're paying a friend back, splitting a bill, or sending money to family, Cash App makes the process simple and convenient. So let's go ahead and get started. First, open Cash App on your device and make sure you're on the main home screen. Now, at the top, you will see your available cash balance. To send money, enter the amount you want to send. Then tap the Pay option at the bottom of the screen. Next, select the person you want to send money to by searching for their cash tag, phone number, or email address. If your contacts are connected, Cash App can also help you find people more easily. After selecting the recipient, you can add a note describing the payment. Then, review the details before continuing. Now, once the payment looks correct, tap Pay in the top right corner. Cash App may ask you to confirm the payment using Face ID, your PIN, or another security method. After confirmation, the money will be sent directly to the recipient's Cash App balance, and they will receive a notification about the payment. This process is quick and easy as long as you have the correct payment information, and that's how easy it is to send money to someone on Cash App. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.